Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
This is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World.
And hello from me too. I'm Adam, your English learning buddy. Today we're talking about something beautiful, literally.
That's right. Today's topic is Glow from Within, Inner Beauty Secrets Every Girl Should Know.
So even if you don't wear makeup or fancy clothes, you can still shine. Because real beauty starts inside your heart.
You know, when I was a teenager, I always compared myself to others. I wanted perfect hair, perfect skin, perfect everything.
Oh, I think we've all been there. I used to think looking confident meant wearing expensive clothes.
But then I realized confidence and kindness are the best beauty secrets ever. When you smile, when you help someone, when you're kind, you glow.
That's beautiful and true. Let's teach our friends some English expressions about this topic.
First word, glow. It means to shine softly, like when your skin looks fresh or your heart feels happy. Example, she glows when she talks about her dreams.
Nice. Next one, confidence. It means believing in yourself. Example, confidence is more beautiful than makeup.
Love that one. And here's another, kindness. Kindness means doing good things for others, even when no one is watching. Example, her kindness makes everyone around her smile. Okay, friends, time to practice together. Repeat after us.
I glow when I'm happy.
Confidence is my best outfit.
Kindness makes me beautiful.
Great job. You sound beautiful already.
Alice, I remember you told me about your student, Rena, the shy one.
Oh yes, Rena used to cover her face with her hair because she thought she wasn't pretty enough. But after a few weeks, she started speaking more in class, sharing ideas, and suddenly everyone noticed her bright smile.
So what changed?
Her confidence. She stopped trying to be perfect and started being herself. That's when she truly began to glow from within.
Wow, that's inspiring. See, friends, beauty isn't only about what's on the outside.
Let's learn some English expressions about beauty and confidence. 1. Beauty is only skin deep. That means real beauty comes from your heart and personality, not just your looks. 2. You're glowing. We say this when someone looks happy, healthy, or confident. 3. Shine bright like a diamond. It means be your best self, but don't hide your light.
And here's one I like. It's not the face, it's the grace. It means kindness and good manners. Make someone truly beautiful. Let's practice a short conversation, okay? I'll be the friend giving a compliment, and Alice will reply naturally. Hey, Alice, you look really happy today.
Thanks, Adam. I've been taking care of myself, sleeping well, eating healthy, and staying positive.
Wow, you're glowing from within.
You can use this kind of conversation in daily life. Compliments make people smile. And it's great speaking practice. Repeat after us again, everyone.
Beauty is only skin deep.
You're glowing today.
Shine bright like a diamond.
It's not the face, it's the grace.
Excellent. You're learning beautiful English. And beautiful lessons.
You know, Adam, I tried a 5-step beauty routine once.
Oh, really? How long did it last?
About 2 days. Then I realized my best beauty secret is sleep.
Same. sleep, and maybe chocolate?
Chocolate. That's your inner happiness secret, not a beauty one.
Dear friends, remember, you don't need filters. You don't need perfection.
You just need love, confidence, and a kind heart.
That's what makes you shine from inside. And when you learn English with love and joy, you glow with knowledge too.
So keep smiling, keep learning, and keep glowing from within.
If you enjoyed today's story, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a little encouragement.
We'll see you next time on Amjee's English World. Stay kind, stay confident, and keep shining.